Distribution is defined as the decisions and activities that make products available to consumers when and where they would like to buy them. There are 4 different types of supply chains: one where the producer sells directly to the consumer, one where a retailer buys product from the producer and then sells it to a consumer, one where a wholesaler buys it from the producer, sells it to a retailer, and then sells it to a consumer, and then finally one where an agent buys product from the producer, which sells it to the wholesaler, which then sells it to a retailer, to the consumer.
Supply chain management helps to complete a supply chain's main goals. Its focus is directed towards the consumer, and the process of this management includes coordination of all the activities involved with the flow and transformation of supplies, products, and information throughout the chain to the consumer. Also, integrated information sharing can reduce costs, improve services, and increase value among supply chain members. A marketing channel includes a group of individuals or organizations that direct the flow of products from producers to consumers. There are 3 different marketing channels that have been split between direct and indirect marketing.
Direct marketing channels allow you to communicate and sell directly to consumers. Examples are your own website, email, or social media. Indirect marketing channels involve third parties such as retailers, distributors, or wholesalers. An example could be Amazon. The 4 types of utility are time utility, which is when a company provides goods and services when consumers need them. Place utility, which is making goods accessible in locations that allows consumers to easily access it. Possessions utility is when a consumer has possession of goods or services immediately so that the consumer can start using it. And lastly is form utility, which is assembling, preparing, or refining a product to suit individual consumer needs.
Now let's move on to the multiple marketing channels. This refers to an agreement whereby the products of one organization are distributed through the marketing channels of another. An example of that is Starbucks licensing. Multi-channel distribution. This is the use of a variety of marketing channels to ensure maximum distribution. Digital distribution. This refers to the delivery of content through the internet to a computer or another device. Examples of that are HBO Max, Disney+, Netflix, Hulu, etc.
Intensity of market coverage, the number and kinds of outlets in which a product will be sold. Levels of market coverage include intensive, which achieves mass market selling, selective, which works with selected intermediaries, shopping in same specialty goods. Exclusive works with a single intermediary, specialty goods, and industrial equipment. Marketing channel selection. The marketing channel selection splits off into 5 points: the manufacturer consideration, product attributes, customer characteristics, characteristics of intermediaries, and competition.